Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In earlier session, we had seen how we can create an data frame with the help of an Excel, how we can import the data from an Excel to a data frame. In this session, let's see how we can export data from a data frame to Excel, CSV and text file. This can be achieved with the help of to_Excel and to_CSV. So let's look into it practically. So firstly, how we can export the data from the data frame to an Excel sheet. For this, firstly, let's import pandas as PD and let's read an Excel sheet called employee.xlsx which is present in D drive. And now to this particular data and then let's print DF, the data frame. Let's add a column called annual salary which is equal to salary into 12. So after adding the salary, annual salary, let's export to the Excel sheet. So the data from the data frame, let's export to the Excel sheet. So for this we use to_Excel. So firstly, let me show the in D drive, I'm having employee.xlsx which is having employee name, age, year of joining and salary. Four columns it is having. So now let's look into it practically. Firstly, let me say import pandas as PD. Then my df is equal to pd dot read underscore excel and I'm specifying the path of my Excel sheet, that is d:/employee dot xlsx. So now let me print my data frame df. So after doing this, let me add a new column to my data frame. Say df of annual underscore salary is equal to df of salary into 12. So the monthly salary into 12 becomes the annual salary. And now after adding this new column, I have modified my data frame. So let me export the data frame to the Excel sheet. This we can achieve it with the help of df dot to_Excel. I have to give the path. Let me give a new file name employee1.xlsx. And now let me run the code. So my employee XLXX had employee name, age, year of joining and salary. Now I have added a new column called annual salary and I've exported it to the Excel sheet employee1.xlsx. So in D drive, it will create a new file called employee1 and in this new file, the annual salary also gets appended. So friends, initially we had employee.xlsx which did not have the annual salary and we created the annual salary and exported the details to a new file. So in the new Excel sheet, that is employee1.xlsx, we have the annual salary. And one more thing what we need to note over here is it is having the index value. So suppose I do not want the index value because it should start from employee name, age, year of joining, salary, annual salary. I don't want the index values. So for this what we need to do? So for this to Excel, I have to give index is equal to false. So when I give index is equal to false, the index values will be removed from the employee1.excelSX. So let me delete this for safer side and let me run this code once again. And now employee 1 gets created and we will no longer have the index values. It will start from employee name, age, YOJ, year of joining, salary and annual salary. So if we want the index value, we can just say index equal to true. If we do not want the index value, we can specify it as false. Similarly, I've taken the data from my employee.xlsx and let me create a CSV file, employee1.csv. For this, the function is toCSV, not to Excel, but it is toCSV. And index is equal to false, so it will no longer take the index values. So my next method is toCSV. So the CSV, the details will be saved in the CSV file. It will create a CSV file and the modified data frame details will be stored in the CSV file. So over here, let me give employee2.csv and let me run the code. And here employee2.csv file gets created. This is a comma delimited format, CSV format, and we have the annual salary as well. So this was with the help of CSV file. Now if I want the details in the text file, I have to use the same method, that is to_csv, but here the extension I can specify it as txt, that is the text file. Index is equal to false, so we no longer get the index values in the text file. So let me give it as employee3.txt, run the code. So employee.3, the text file gets created and we have all the details, whatever we had in the data frame with the annual salary appended. We have all the details in the text file format. So friends, in this session, we saw how we can export the data from the data frame. That is, this is the data frame. I've added a new column. After modifying the data frame, I am exporting the details to an Excel sheet. So for that, I use to_Excel. And if I want to save it in the CSV format, I have to give to_CSV and the extension should be CSV. And if I want it in the text file format, I have to use to_CSV and extension should be text file. Extension should be txt. So we saw in this session how we can export the details of data frame to Excel, CSV and text file with the help of to_Excel and to_CSV. So friends, if you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.